In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix a server with the specified hostname could not be found on Talkie app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're getting this error and also you're told this area is temporarily unavailable, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Most likely you are getting this error because your app has experienced a glitch or there's a problem with either your phone or the app. To fix this, first you want to ensure that you are not connected to any VPN. So if you are connected to a VPN, turn it off before you can log in. But in case that didn't solve your problem, then you can troubleshoot your app by going to settings, and from settings go to apps, then manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for your app, and here go to force stop the app, then clear data and clear all data. Once you're done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Talkie app, it should be up and running without any issue. But should this not fix your problem, then the problem most likely might be with the Talkie app. If the server has a problem, you need to wait for some few minutes and check later to see if the problem has been fixed. But should this not work, you can now go ahead and check if there is any update for your app through Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.